everyone, welcome back to another video. After the anatomy and of the eye and the visual pathway, today we would be discussing about the orbit and the extraocular muscles.
Orbit is basically where your eyeball is present here, right? Now the shape of the orbit is your shaped quadrilateral shape. Now orbit is basically your entirely a bony structure which will provide protection. Basically, it provides protection from trauma. Protection from trauma, basically, that is the major function of the eye orbit. I'm not saying the only function, but the major function. Quadrilateral shaped bony structure. But now, why we say it is quadrilateral? See here, there is a cross section through the orbit. If you see, it goes like this, it is this, goes like this, and it continues and closes something like this at the behind. So the previous part has been ripped off, but कुछ इस type का shape रहता है. So it is more or less like a quadrilateral shaped. अरे, it is more or less like a quadrilateral shape. Now the position of the eyeball. Now how is the eyeball position? Eyeball is nearer to two things. Nearer to your lateral wall than medial wall of the orbit, and it is also nearer to the roof than the floor. So if you see, your eye would feel more towards your lateral side, towards one side than towards the other. You can notice that difference in your eyeball, right? So this is what we have. Now we have here, I would not be discussing the muscles of the body, but the structures of the orbit. So in your orbit, if you cut just right, like just nearer to your orbit wall, orbit roof, you can find something known as a known as the frontal sinus. So the frontal sinus will be present somewhere right above the or about the bony sinus only, bony cavity of the eye only. Now the eyebrow is a little bit eyebrow is basically pulled up by your movement of the eyebrow is converted by a muscle called as levator palpebrae superioris, right? So in this cross section, this one is your inferior oblique muscle. Oblique muscles are basically go your five. So this is a cylinder. The oblique muscles go like this. So if you take a cross section, so if a cross section is like this, so it will appear like a circle. It is like that. So all these muscles will be discussed later on. Appendages. So eyelids are your double folds of the skin. At the double folds of the skin. Eyelashes, it's just your eyelashes, eyebrows, all these things. All these three things are basically are to protect the eye. They are to protect the eye from your basically dust, dirt, etc. So this is the basic function of all these sweat, etc., etc. Lacrimal apparatus consists of your lacrimal gland and your lacrimal ducts. Right, so the lacrimal gland open up is at the base of your eye, and the lacrimal ducts open in your nasopharynx. So that is why when you cry, the you also get the runny nose. Now we come upon to the extraocular muscles. There are four recti, two obliques, and one LPS, that is levator palpebrae superioris. Now the recti are your superior, inferior, medial, and lateral recti. All the muscles are supplied by third cranial nerve, third cranial nerve. It's LR6SO4. That is your lateral rectus is by the sixth nerve, superior oblique is by the fourth nerve. So what this means, third cranial nerve is oculomotor nerve. So oculomotor supplies all the muscles. So except for this and your lateral rectus, all these muscles are supplied by a third cranial nerve, that is your oculomotor nerve. But lateral rectus is supplied by a fourth cranial nerve. LPS is just basically a levator pebere superioris. It is basically just used to elevate your eyebrows, right? So here we can see that this muscle is your levator palpebrae superioris. These are the superior oblique muscle. This one is your superior rectus. This one, green one, is your lateral rectus. The pink one is your medial rectus. The orange one is your inferior oblique. It goes in obliquely, and it is below. So that is, it is inferior oblique, superior oblique. It is just goes. It is, and it will go behind the eyeball. And inferior rectus is this one. So superior, inferior rectus. So diagram that we all studied. So this is all from me from for today.
Thank you all for watching. Hope you liked the video and hope to see you for the next one.